the Asian Development Bank is a fairly large organization, which is quite similar to public sector agencies that have lots of field offices and a diverse workforce. In preparing this talk, I asked myself what could be possible models for practicing foresight, which my organization, but also maybe yours, could adopt. Let's stay with the restaurant analogy of this event and assume that most staff will want to eat lunch, consume and maybe cook up some foresight, some tasty and filling dishes that will inspire us and inform our planning, design, and decision-making. How can the organization help its staff get access to lunch or help them prepare it themselves? What models could work for us in a post-COVID setting where we would be able to eat together again, produce and consume foresight together again? Should we invest into our own restaurant at the center of our campus, train some chefs, and expect everyone to attend cooking classes? Putting food and foresight center stage with heavy investment and strong commitment? Or should we ask staff to go outside for lunch, snack on some street food, or go out for some fine dining? You're on your own, no commitment, no investment. Should we have a canteen with lots of choice and cheap and cheerful offerings? Drop in and out as you like. Easy access, centralized action, outsourced capacity, light investment and light commitment. Should we arrange for small lunchrooms and shared kitchens where folks bring their own food and cook on site? Maybe spice it up with some ingredients to experiment with and some master chefs on call? Collaborate, find your own way. Light investment, decentralized action, distributed capacity with light commitment. I'm leaning towards continuing with this light and decentralized model for a little while longer, testing and learning what works. But I'm also eager to see the organization commit, make a serious investment into our capacity to make tasty lunch on campus. The lunches that I've prepared with my ADB colleagues have been quite tasty, but we still have to refine our recipes, trust ourselves as cooks, and find out what the right sauce is to serve management. The specialty dish that fills their bellies and gets everyone salivating for more. Stay tuned for our next culinary endeavors. Keep sharing recipes. And please, if you do come across some tasty street food in the neighborhood, we want to know about it.